Hey guys, this is Jeff from Captain Soot's House of Fire and Fireplace.net. Need to do a walk through a little step-by-step here of removing and replacing an old inefficient fireplace with a high efficiency EPA fireplace, a Majestic Warmmajic-II. So we just removed this fireplace here from this home, build a grade box, type of fireplace you make a fire in your house, gets colder, and we're going to be changing that out. Alright, so this is what we got inside once we pull that unit out. It's the old chimney hanging up there. Chase is only insulated on the one side, on the inside, but not on the outside. So what this causes is draft. So what we're going to do is put in a false ceiling, 8 feet off the platform height for the new fireplace. Put some fire stops in and insulate this exterior wall. We'll cut down on drafts. And we have to raise the header to the proper spot, rebuild that, move some electrical wires, and start to rebuild. We'll come back in a little bit when we're further along. Alright guys, we're up on the top of the chimney here. We're going to remove the rest of this chimney. So we've got a couple of problems up here. This is the chimney chase. See, there's two problems. One, it's all covered in tar, obviously extremely combustible material. It's obviously leaking water as well, which you'll be able to see evidence of downstairs. So what we're gonna have to do here is we have to get a custom chase cover made of this. This is completely unacceptable. I'll show you how that works as well. Alright guys, we're back at it here. We have the unit now in place. We ran the chimney up. We insulated and then closed in the walls and back of the fireplace, put some sheetrock up and put a full ceiling in with our fire stops. We're re-insulating this wall here as well. Got our electric roughed out, and we can start covering this up with some cement board and then build our hearth and start putting down some stone. Hey guys, we're a little further along here. We got the hearth in, boards up on the wall. I'm starting to put some stone on the face. If you notice, we painted black around the faceplate template that we're using because there's going to be an 1/8 of an inch gap all around, so this way if you see anything will be black back there, matching the fireplace. And keep rocking up. We'll give you some progress reports as we go along. A little further moving along here, starting to get up and around the arch, sticking the rocks on the wall, playing Tetris with them. It's about an hour and a half after the last video. Hey guys, we're back over here at the house. We're putting that Majestic Warmmajic in. Just want to give you an update up on that chase cover. Remember earlier in the video, we showed you how that chase cover that was covered in tar. Combustible materials up on the top, it was all rotted and leaking. So we got a custom stainless steel chase cover made. I just got finished installing this and putting the caps up, stone collars, and sealing it up. Remember when you're doing these, be careful for one, obviously, but you want to make your screw holes, pre-drill your screw holes in the side skirts. This way you don't make holes in the top. We got this cover made up by Chimcap. It's local to us here in Farmingdale. They've been doing it forever. Usually most stainless steel or sheet metal fabrication companies can take care of this for you locally. They have to be custom made. Maybe a little pricey, but you know what, it's going to last forever, and really the way to go with this. It's non-combustible, it's not going to rust and stain your siding, so I highly recommend the stainless steel chase cover for your chimney chases. A lot of times the builders just do whatever is cheap. Tin, regular metal, aluminum, or even just like what we had here was flat roof and covered in tar, which can potentially be a fire hazard. Anyway, I'll keep you updated on this project. Moving a little further along here, we got our electric poked through. We had a pad out for a TV bracket. That's where the TV is going to go up above the mantle. And now we just got to rock up the rest of the wall. All right, so this is what we're looking like all finished here. This is the Majestic Warmmajic-II. We ripped out that old inefficient fireplace and put this guy in. Installed a new chimney, insulated a chase, and built a new hearth around it. So let's go over what the info is on the fireplace. So this is the Warmmajic-II. This is an EPA rated high efficiency fireplace, so you can control your air. It's basically a wood burning stove that goes in your wall. So if you open up in here, you see you have, this is a non-catalytic burning system. It's well over 70% efficiency, EPA approved 2020. It's a 2.7 cubic foot firebox with a recommended log size of 22 inches. And is rated to heat up to 2,600 square feet. So basically, depending on how your house is set up, you can heat a pretty large area with this. You do have optional heat duct kits where you could duct heat up into 2 different other portions of the house. We did not do that here because this is a renovation. If you were doing this in new construction, which this would be ideal for, you could do that. Up, from the first floor to the basement, or the second floor to the first floor, or the first floor to the second floor, and on into adjacent rooms. But standard, this is going to have a blower with a variable speed rheostat that comes standard with it, and that is wired in with a thermostatic disc, so it'll turn itself on when it gets hot and shuts itself off when it gets cool. You can buy this on our website, fireplacesrus.net, or if you're on Long Island in New York, you can come down to our shop, Captain Soot's House of Fire, and we could rip out your junky old inefficient fireplace and put one of these in for you. Anyway, if you got any questions, you give us a holler. It's 1-855-485-4015. Thank you.